Hi everybody, welcome back. For this video today, I'm going to be using the Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Believe, which is like a dark mauve purple, and I'm going to put that in my transition area. And then I'm going to go into the shade Texas Made and put that pink right above the purple. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush and take that pink and blend like more so where the pink is, so the pink and purple won't be such a harsh line. The key to this makeup look is to blend and blend. I did a lot of blending off camera, otherwise the video was going to be like 30 minutes long. And then I'm going to take that shade Dream It, which is a blue, and I'm going to put it on top of that purple and then blend those two together. And I'm going to take some of the pink just to diffuse it. The key to this whole look is just to blend and blend and blend. So I was blending a lot off camera. So I'm going to take some of the P. Louise base and cut my crease. If you want to find where to cut your crease, just look up and the line will be drawn for you. If you need more practice or more videos on how to cut your crease, the last 5 videos of mine are videos of me cutting my crease, so you could just look at those videos if you need more help. I'm going to take the shade Headliner, which is a white eyeshadow from this palette, and put it over the P. Louise base so I can have a nice, clean base to work on when I put on my glitter. And I'm going to take the NYX glitter glue and put on the glue in the middle of my lid first, because I use 2 different glitters. So I'm going to put the glitter glue in the middle of my lid, and then I'm going to take this glitter that I got from AliExpress. It's like a dark pink, and I'm going to put that over that. And I'm going to take this light pink glitter and put that on the other side of this dark pink glitter. And then I'm going to put some tape down because I want to put on some eyeliner. I would suggest using liquid liner because the glitter, it makes it rocky. If I was to redo this look, I honestly wouldn't put on eyeliner. I was just trying something. This is my first time doing this, but if I could do it over, I wouldn't put on any eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start my face routine. And then I'm going to take some black eyeliner, and I'm basically going to black out my lower lash line with the eyeliner and with the black eyeshadow from the palette. And I used the NYX Lingerie lip gloss in the shade Sable, but then I wanted a little bit more glossy, like shine, so I added some of the Smashbox lip gloss to my lips. And then this was the finished look. I hope you all like it. I'm going to try this with some more different colors because you all know pink and purple is my favorite color to do on my lids. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.